Welcome back to Overheat, 2026 Dodge 4x4 RV, unrestricted exploration with power and luxury. The motorhome's cabin is made of aluminum or advanced composite materials to cut weight without compromising insulation or structural integrity. Improved aerodynamics. The design considers aerodynamics for increased fuel efficiency on the road, even though it is primarily focused on off-road performance. Windows with double glazing and insulation, energy-efficient windows with double panes and insulation. A sturdy entry door with an electric ladder that retracts and to security locks. Additional LED spotlights on the front and sides are examples of off-road LED lighting. An integrated roof rack that can accommodate a lot of extra equipment. A sturdy side awning that is powered by electricity. Interior, a luxurious mattress, and a cozy queen or king-size bed. Kitchen, stainless steel sink, microwave oven combination, refrigerator and freezer, induction gas stove, cabinets and drawers with a safe. Locking mechanism are examples of smart storage. Sliding and folding table and chairs, a dining table with recyclable, comfy chairs that can be folded up or slid to conserve room. The use of long-lasting, easily cleaned materials that nonetheless project a sense of luxury and modernity. The renowned inline six-cylinder Cummins turbo diesel engine provides enormous torque for navigating difficult terrain and pulling heavier loads. Hemi V8 gasoline engine. This potent Hemi V8 gasoline engine choice offers remarkable on-road performance and quick acceleration. Large tires with aggressive tread patterns for optimal grip in mud, sand, or rocks are known as all-terrain mud-terrain tires. Solar panel, a powerful rooftop solar panel that charges batteries using an MPPT controller. Lithium iron phosphate LiFePO for battery. LiFePO 4 battery with a large capacity for consistent power supply and energy storage. Security features include a GPS tracker, parking sensors, collision warning, an alarm system, and a 360-degree video system. Smart TV with streaming and satellite antenna.